All right, good morning. Market opens in 10 minutes, so I'm just gonna hurry and get through this real quick. Um, Yesterday I got short. Just a recap, because I'll make a review on this. Um, got short, rolled this down, got more short in here, and then got stopped out. But that same idea eventually did play out. I was targeting the midline of this daily liquidity void for a prior day. If you look at the daily candles, that would be in a discount now. So that was just an easy money target. As you can see, eventually played out. The reason I was wrong here was because, or at least on the second entry, was because of the flow. I used the flow to get my bias for this trade. As you can see, flow super bearish, trending all day, super bearish, and then calls did rise up though and cross with low volume. And during that time is when I got stopped out. But there was a huge floor. I guess you can't scroll back far enough unless maybe we do that. Let's look. There was like, whatever. I don't need that much loading. But anyways, there was like 20 million in puts, with the caveat that they were 1 DTEs though. So yeah, just they played out. This could keep dumping is what I'm actually expecting, because this is how bearish it was yesterday. But I'm just gonna look for the flow to confirm, since we've already had, two sell-offs. That might have been enough for these guys to exit their trades, because they are floor traders, I think. I don't know what the hours are for floor traders, but I know that on some brokers, they've got longer hours for options trading. So yeah, we're gonna wait for the open, see how that looks. As you can see in here, lunch was the low, and then we took out barely New York AM session, and then consolidated into Asian, and then London we finally started to we broke Asia, and then had enough reason to get it down. Let me actually go back to the daily, see if there's a, so let's just mark out these. Bro, I hit the square. There's a, it's already been taken, but that's a new day opening gap. So mark that out. This liquidity void is now relatively closed, but I might leave it there. Where's, maybe if you go down to the 4. Okay, there we go. So yeah, there's a big candle down on the 4-hour. I get reversal idea. So yeah, I mean, if you look here on the regular trading hours, this would be similar to SPY. Huge gap to be filled. So that could be a target for us to continue down, obviously. Liquidity void, look at that. Okay. So yeah, we'll be eyeing this. Still a market structure shift, but this isn't shifting below this, so this could retrace pretty deep. Honestly, this could clear out these highs right here. These, at least these equal highs, or even these. So that's why we'll wait for confirmation from the flow, and take that as a learning lesson about the 1DTEs, knowing that that may play out tomorrow as we did get hit into liquidity below some lows. So yeah, Dow Jones. Here's the other thing too: is Dow Jones did take out the equal lows it created yesterday, and now it took out this low. So this may have a reason to actually reverse because we came back down into here. Doesn't need to. If we look at, let's look at the daily. Yeah, no displacements here. And this was a fair value gap here. Look at that. Nailed it. I haven't annotated these charts because the contract switch. So all my drawings got messed up. So I would have had that, I think, on there. Well, it's taken out now, so it's not necessary. But yeah, fair value gap could be bouncing now, which is another reason to be wary of the price action today. We got news at 10 a.m. Eastern. Yeah, I'll be looking long here on the Dow possibly. Well, I won't be looking long. I'll be wary long and short on ES. NASDAQ, similar story here. Nothing too different. Could just retrace. Yeah, I got stopped out of my JPY trade. Finally. That one was a painful trade. So long. And holding in the drawdown so many occasions while then going into profit. It was just so annoying. So, kind of a relief. Now that these equal highs have all been taken, I'll be looking short. Looking for a short. If I get it. But yeah, that's what I'm looking for. That's the end of the stream.